Thank you so much. No, you're absolutely right there. One more thing I want to ask is that let's say you are at an event, you walk and met an enterprise team, because it's as much about technology, of course, cultural part we have been talking about a lot, but I also feel that when it comes to AI, you also need a mindset shift as well. If you're advising an enterprise team that wants to build AI infrastructure this year, what is one mindset shift they need to make first? Stop thinking in terms of products, stop thinking in terms of the next shiny object, and start thinking in terms of ecosystem. What would that be?
I think I mentioned it a little bit earlier, but I'll expand on it, which is they need to and are starting to think about the top end of the stack, how they're going to empower AI to serve their corporate goals. And that's where we come in, is that Coordinate AI provides that turnkey GPU cloud, kind of cloud in a box that already has integrated the infrastructure automation and the Kubernetes and service provisioning and customer-facing cloud services into that single platform. So we really anticipate and are seeing them understanding that with the right partner, they can actually focus on their core business. They don't have to carry that burden. It gives both operators and end customers that hyperscaler-like cloud experience, fully packaged, automated, kind of ready to monetize. And they also want to get that customer-facing experience right. So that customer service portal that delivers a full service cloud interface, service ordering, team management, billing, inventory, like these are the things that they need to have in order to be successful. And so we bring that customer-facing mentality and capability to bear as well. And it offers enormous value because they can already have all of this pre-assembled that makes the internal experience much easier, the external customer-facing experience much more valuable. And overall, the platform just delivers kind of that clear separation of concerns. We can build and run the hard part, and you can focus on your business so your customers can consume it. And I think that's the shift. We've gone through this phase of I'm going to build it myself. I'm going to package it together, as we've seen in previous technology cycles before, right? So at first you're like, I'm going to own this. And then you realize there is really no way for me to focus on my business if I'm actually doing the nitty gritty and trying to piece this together, not only for day one, but for the long term.